You love me more than you're allowed to. So long ago now that I can hardly remember. I mean, I was a teenager.